Dr. Zakir, another point which is quite interesting. I mean, fasting has many benefits, and you've explained so many of those over the last 3 weeks or so. Could you explain to the viewers, why shouldn't we fast the whole year through? Why is it just 1 month particularly that we're being told to fast?
As far as fasting the whole year is concerned, the reason Prophet Muhammad has prohibited fasting every day in the full year, or fasting for the full life, is it would lead to one's physical ruin, it can lead to one's moral ruin, it can lead to religious asceticism, all of which are prohibited in Islam. And there may be health problems, medical problems. It would be rather overdoing. And Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse number 171, La taglu fi dinukum. Do not commit excesses in your religion. So that is the reason the Prophet has prohibited. And Muhammad says in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1977, that he says that anyone who fasts every day throughout his life, he has not fasted at all. And the hadith which I quoted earlier of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1975, that Abdullah bin Amr al-As, he narrates, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Prophet said, "O Abdullah, have I heard that you fast every day and you pray the full night?" And he replied, "Yes, O Prophet." So the Prophet replies that you fast for some days and you break the fast for some days. You pray for part of the night and you sleep for part of the night. Your wife has a right over you. Your body has a right over you. Your relatives have a right over you. Your guests have a right over you. So if you do this, you're ruining your social life, etc., and your family life. And the Prophet continues and says that if you fast for 3 days in every month, it is as though you have fasted for the full year. But Abdullah replies, may Allah be pleased with him, but I can do much more. Then the Prophet says, fast like the fast of Dawud alayhi salam. So he asks, what is the fast of Dawud alayhi salam? The Prophet replies, he fasted for half a year. That means he fasted alternate days. One day he kept a fast, one day he broke the fast. One day he kept the fast, and that is the best of fast. So this is the reason why Prophet ﷺ prohibited fasting every day of the year, every day of the life.